At Dependable Service, we greet each day ready to help you and your family. Our team of experts puts the needs of others above their own. We're here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with a promise: dependable service. We understand how an overflowing toilet, a broken water heater, or a burst pipe can impact your day. At Dependable Service, our mission is to get you back to normal as soon as possible. We take the stress away by not only fixing the problem, but doing it quickly and efficiently. From scheduling a service call, to repairing or installing new equipment, to long after we leave, we are here to take care of you and your family. Dependable Service is happy to bring years of plumbing experience to Myrtle Beach, Pawleys Island, and the surrounding areas. From yesterday and today to far into the future, our name is our promise. Dependable Service.